What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have Cosmic Cobalt from Pyro Planet. This is a 200 gram 9-shot cake. Another one of the ROYGBIV assortment that I picked up from them. I've shot the red one, the lime, and I believe it was the grape. So this is I assume the bluish color. Now it says 9 shots. Let's take a look at the performance here. 9 shot, 200 grams, 8 out of 10 on loudness. No angle, just straight up. We got willow mines to blue and sea blue dahlias with gold strobe stars, followed by a finale of willow tails to blue and sea blue with willow. So yeah, so we got some blue in there. So yep, this is another one of those ROYGBIV out of the ROYGBIV assortment. And this one's only 9 shot. I think one of the other ones I shot was 12. So we'll take her out and see how it looks compared to the other ones.